John, don't you come up. Don't you come up. Well, there it is. The Bantam 3X restoration. It's floating on the edge. We're gonna see if two fat boys can get in it and see if it'll float. So let's get in here and let's catch some fish. All right, John and I are sitting in the Bantam. We're gonna do a little fishing here. If you'll notice, John and I are gonna be fishing with the same reel that if you'll look back in some videos, just a few videos back, you'll see the subscriber giveaway. We're gonna be giving away one of these reels as soon as we hit 100 subscribers. So we'll show you how these things do today. We're gonna see if we can get anything to hit. I am gonna throw today. It's a nice little lure here. I've caught some fish on it before. And what it is, it's just a little old small plug, kind of in a brim pattern. Got a little bill on the front of it, run about 6 inches deep. It's real great. Speckled perch will hit this thing, brim will hit it. So we're just gonna check it out and see what's what and what's going to get. Main thing is, we're just fishing and having a good time. Show them that action, John.
Ooh, you go, man.
Show them that action, John. Show them that action, big boy.
You go.
Look at there. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir, buddy. Yes, sir. Give me some of that. Look at that one running with him. Look at that one running with him, John. See if you can get him. He's down there trying to hit that thing while he's running. Look at him. He's coming around to you in that sunlight.
Can't do it. Oh, listen.
Okay, that's all right.
Oh, I see him now. Look at him.
Look at him. There's two of them. Yes, sirree. Come here. It's time. It's time for the Uncle Bill. It's time for the Uncle Bill. Yes, sir. Come here, buddy.
Man, be careful.
Come here. Man, that's we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna grab him because he's poised and ready to let something. Man, how am I gonna get this fish? He's got John had hooked him in the top and bottom lip and closed them off.
I know it. I see that. I hooked in both sets.
I mean, and I don't want to get one with me. John, that ain't bad for 2 casts now, buddy, with a brand new lure. The Whoppler Poplar.
We'll make you famous.
That's a nice little. That fish go 2.5 pounds. Nice. Well, let's do it again one day, brother. Now, did you see that one that was bigger that was running with him?
Yes.
That was trying to take that lure out of his mouth? I'm gonna see if we can hook him right quick. If I can get off all this line and stuff. Well, restored the boat and done put one in it. It don't get no better. All right, here we go. John, I'm thinking the edges of the shoreline is gonna be where the ticket's at. He come off that shoreline about 4 foot to hit that thing. Give it one more shot. A little closer. Let's lean up in this grass pretty close to that log. And see what's neat about it, John, look at there. See, you can stop him and he'll just stay right there on top of the water. So you could actually work him like a jerk bait. See how he sets tail down in the water? Look at that.
What from?
I tell you what, John, hand me that camera. And you take that buzz bait and run that buzz bait down through there before we move to another spot. Because I seen that bigger one running with him. There was a bigger one running with him.
Oh yeah.
Matter of fact, he was trying to take it out of his mouth.
Let's see if I can get this to work. There it is.
Man, I wish that thing would explode. All right, I tell you what you do. Make another one down through there, and then let's turn back out just a little bit and turn, and let's go down this side of the bank. And let's work all around the edges of the bank. I think they own the banks. They're trying to get there. You go. Oh man, that's good. That's a good cast right there. Let's see what happens. Or pop that white lunker lower. Yeah, I see that too. Take it down through there. Man, that lunker lure though, it's hard to beat that sound. You hear that gurgling? I don't know, John. I think I'm kind of liking the whopper flopper now. I think I'm kind of liking it. All right, here's what I'm going to try to do. See that stick up right there and the edge of this grass line? I'm going to try to throw it right down through there and come right through the middle of that grass line and that stick up. We'll see if there's one laying over in there. Ooh, I tell you what, let's throw it on the other side of the stick.
So I hope everybody sees us in this boat
And
sees. Look at there, and sees.
Oh, there he is, John.
You
Got him, buddy. Got him.
How much fun it is to be out one of
Hot
these boats.
almighty nose. Look here, John. Look at him. Whoa. The fat boy has done it. Oh! Oh! Whoa, 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 man. Did you see that?
And that, folks, is what you call a professional catch and release.
That was catch and release, all right. I bet you
no fish were harmed in the filming of this video.
Yeah.
Good Lord!
I got him, buddy.
Oh, look at him, boy. Look at him.
I got it. Oh, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Turn back around this way with me.
Look at him. Look at him.
Stay right here with me. Don't you come up. Don't you come up. Don't you come up. Oh, wee. No. She ain't ready. Oh. Got it.
Change the name of the channel to Budman.
Oh,
I'll give up fishing to become a full-time cameraman.
That is a pretty fish, ain't it? Man, look at there. That's good. She get closer, for. Look at that. Thank you. What it's all about, boy. You know what make you real man? Is if I throw right up there and catch another one, wouldn't it?
I think I jumped out of the boat.
What did I tell you when this thing got? John, I think these things will go away. Hey, we want to thank you for tuning in to the video today and watching. You got to see the Bantam go into water for the first time, and guess what? We didn't sink. If you can find you one of these boats, get it and fix it. You can see how we fixed it in our videos prior to this on Like New Bantam 3X. Take a look at it. You'll see what all we did to make it look the way it does. Just so you'll know, today John was throwing a Songalang reel, 12-pound test line on a Jimmy Houston medium heavy action rod with a half ounce white lunker lure. It's usually a deadly combination. And I was throwing, I got a Lew's laser speed stick, medium heavy, fast action tip with a 7.5 to 1 Lew's rod on it, with the gator grip handles, because I got a little arthritis in my hand, helps me hold on to it. And I was throwing the new Whopper Plopper by Trucin. You can find these, folks, on Amazon. You get 3 of them in a pack for 19 bucks. Hey, you saw the proof. You seen the fish. I highly recommend it, because now, I fished a long time. John's fished a long time. We fished a long time together, and we've thrown lunker lures all the time. I ain't never seen nothing outfish a lunker lure like this one did. So Amazon's where you can get them. Hey, we appreciate you watching. Do us a favor. Hit that subscribe and like button, because it helps us out. This thing don't do nothing unless you helping us. And we appreciate it. We're glad that you giving us the time to watch our videos. Till we see you next time, hey, we hope you get a lot of game in your bag and a lot of fish in your line. And until you see us again, me and John, we're going to be right here. John, where we're going to be at?
In the great outdoors of Colquitt County.
We'll see you next time, folks.